Chapter 4, Practical Geometry. We are basically going to deal with construction of quadrilaterals. Now, quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. There are many types of quadrilaterals. Many dimensions can be given, diagonals can be given, angles can be given. So, we are going to consider some cases where construction of quadrilaterals will be done by various methods. Let us see the first type of question, construction of a quadrilateral when four sides and a diagonal is given. So the question is, four sides are given and one diagonal is given. So these are the dimensions. PQ is given 4 centimeter, QR is 6 centimeter, RS is 5 centimeter, PS is 5.5 centimeter and PR is 7 centimeter. So out of these, 4 are sides and 1 is the diagonal. Now how do we find which are the sides and which is the diagonal? For that, we can make a rough figure here. Let us name the figure PQRS. After drawing this quadrilateral, which is the rough quadrilateral, you are going to put down these dimensions. PQ is 4, QR is 6 centimeter, RS is 5 centimeter, PS is 5.5 centimeter, and finally PR is 7 centimeter. So PR is the diagonal. So we have been able to identify the four sides and one diagonal. So PQ, QR, RS and SP are the sides of the quadrilateral and PR is the diagonal. Now once we are able to make the rough diagram, we will be able to make the fair by actual measurement. So for that, we will start by drawing the diagonal PR. The length of the diagonal PR is given to us, so we can start by using that dimension. So PR is given 7 centimeter. So what we can do is draw 7 centimeter here. So the length of this will be 7 centimeter. So this will be 7 centimeter. Then the length of PS is given 5.5. So what we have to do is, with the help of a compass, you will take a radius of 5.5 and keeping the compass on this point P, you are going to cut an arc of 5.5 because the length of PS is 5.5. From P you will take an arc of 5.5 and cut an arc. The length of this arc with the help of a compass will be 5.5. Repeat the procedure from the other side. From R to S, the dimension given is 5 centimeter. So again, with the help of a compass, keeping the compass on the point R, you are going to take the compass and cut the arc here. So 5.5 from here and 5 centimeter from here, the point of intersection of these two arcs will be the point S. So now we can join PS and SR. So PS 5.5 centimeter and SR is 5 centimeter. So we are done with this portion. Now you have to go below this. So from R to Q, the dimension given is 6. So from here you are going to take a radius of 6 centimeter, cut an arc from R, and from P you are going to take 4 centimeter. PQ is given 4 centimeter. So from P take 4 centimeter and cut the previous arc. Then join these two points here, and you are also going to join R to this intersection point. So what happens is, we get our quadrilateral PQRS satisfying the conditions. So PS as given in the question is 5.5, RS we have drawn is 5, PQ is 4 centimeter. So this is PQ 4 centimeter and QR 6 centimeter. So all the dimensions as given in the questions are now satisfied. PQ 4, QR 6, RS 5 centimeter and PS 5.5 centimeter. So we can say that PQRS is the required quadrilateral. And then as for any geometry question, you are supposed to write down the steps of construction. Let us consider the next case, construction of a quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides are given. So far we were discussing a case where one diagonal and four sides were given. Now here we have to construct a quadrilateral LIFT. LI is given 4 centimeter, IF is given 3 centimeter, TL 2.5 centimeter, LF is 4.5 centimeter, and IT is 4 centimeter. Now out of these dimensions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimensions are given here. Out of these 5, 2 are diagonals and 3 are the sides. Now in order to find out which are the sides and which are the diagonals, what we have to do is draw a rough figure. So let us assume that this is a quadrilateral LIFT. LI is given 4 centimeter, IF is given 3 centimeter, TL is given 2.5 centimeter, LF, now LF is the diagonal, LF is 4.5 and IT is given 4 centimeter. So this is what has to be constructed. Now once we know the rough figure of this, we can very easily construct this quadrilateral. So to start this, we can draw this base 4 centimeter LI. So you are going to keep the scale here and draw 4 centimeter. So this becomes the base of the quadrilateral. We will name it as LI 4 centimeter. Now from L you are going to take a radius of 2.5 centimeter and cut an arc. So 2.5 from L, cut an arc here, and this diagonal is given 4 centimeter. The length of this diagonal is given. So we can say that IT is 4 centimeter. So from here you will take 4 centimeter and cut here on the previous arc. So this dimension and this dimension 2.5 and 4, the point of intersection from the rough diagram, the point of intersection is T. So this becomes a triangle like this. So L, T 2.5 and TI 4 centimeters. So we've got this portion of this quadrilateral. Repeat the process now on the other side. So from L 4.5 centimeter. So from here we are going to take a radius of 4.5, cut an arc out here, and from here 3 centimeter. IF is 3. So from I, take a radius of 3 centimeter, cut the previous arc obtained. Join these 2 points. We are going to get this point is F. Now we are going to join these 2 points, F to I, and we are going to join F to T. So we can say that LIFT is the required quadrilateral, and this we have already measured and seen. The length of this diagonal is 4.5 centimeters. So we have 2 diagonals, 4.5 and 4. This is of course 3, and this was not required. We just have to join FT. We get the required quadrilateral LIFT. So the steps of construction will be: draw the base LI 4 centimeter, taking a radius of 2.5 centimeter. From L, cut an arc, and then again from I, take a radius of 4 centimeter and cut the previous arc. So the intersection point will give us T. Repeat the process on this side. From L 4.5 centimeter and from I 3 centimeter. The point of intersection with the help of the compass is going to be F. Join these 4 points LI, IF, FT, TL. So LIFT becomes the required quadrilateral. The diagonals 4.5 and 4, you can measure and see that will be equal to whatever the dimensions given here, and you can measure also all the other sides for verification purpose. Construction of a quadrilateral when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. So angles are given here: angle M 60 degrees, angle O 105, angle R again 105 degrees. So we have 3 angles here, and we have 2 adjacent sides MO and OR. So drawing the rough figure of what has to be done, we get MORE, which is the quadrilateral which has to be drawn. MO is given 6 centimeter, OR is 4.5 centimeter, angle M 60 degrees, angle O 105 degrees, and angle R again 105 degrees. Now if you note, the three angles that are given to us are all multiples of 15. Therefore these angles have to be constructed using a compass, pencil and scale. So start drawing this figure by drawing the base MO. The length of MO is given as 6 centimeter. So we will draw first 6 centimeter base for this figure. So the length of that is given 6 centimeter. So with the help of a scale, you are going to draw here 6 centimeter. So MO 6 centimeter is drawn. Now on this side you will find that angle M is 60 degrees. Now the process of drawing 60 degrees is, from this point M you are going to draw any arc, and without changing the radius. This is important. Do not change the radius. Whatever arc you have drawn, the same radius, you will take a point on the line where the arc is intersecting. From here, without changing the radius, you are going to cut on this arc that you drew previously. So this is going to be a 60 degrees. So 60 degrees line is obtained. Again I am repeating here. MO is drawn 6 centimeter. Take any radius. After drawing this arc with any radius, then without changing the radius, from this point you are going to cut an arc. Join this to point A and extend it. That becomes 60 degrees. So we have drawn 60 degrees from M. On the other side, at this point O, the angle given to us is 105 degrees. So 105 degrees has to be drawn by again bisecting 90 and 120 degrees. Now how do we bisect 90 and 120? First of all, this point is O. Without changing the radius, the first cut is 60. Second cut becomes 120. From 60 and 120 I will draw arcs. This becomes 90 degrees. This is 120 degrees. So 90 and 120 is there. Now from here and here you are going to cut arcs. Extend this. That will become 105 degrees. So we've got 60 on this side. We've got 105 on the other side. The length of OR is given 4.5 centimeter. So taking a radius of 4.5 centimeter, from O you are going to cut an arc. So this point of intersection will be represented by R. So from here, with the help of a compass, the compass is stretched to a length of 4.5 centimeter after measuring it on a scale, and this point R is obtained. Again at R, the angle given is 105. So the process that we did at O has to be repeated at R. So for that we are going to draw from arc. This arc is drawn from arc without changing the radius. The first cut from this point is 60. Then from here the second cut becomes 120. From 60 and 120 you are going to cut arcs. This is going to be our 90 degree line. This of course is our 120 degree line. From 90 and 120 you are going to cut arcs and join it to this point R. So this becomes 105 degrees on this side. The two lines which is drawn from here, that is, one is from M 60 degrees and from R we have drawn 105 degrees, are going to meet at a point. This point that is obtained is our point E. So here the quadrilateral that is obtained is MORE, and this quadrilateral is going to satisfy all the conditions as it is given to us. So MO is 6, OR 4.5. We have constructed the three angles that are given to us. So the given quadrilateral has been constructed as per dimensions. Construction of a quadrilateral when three sides and two included angles are given. We have to construct a quadrilateral DEAR. The value of D is 4 centimeter, EA 5 centimeter, AR is 4.5 centimeter, angle E 60 degrees and angle A 90 degrees. Now in order to make the rough diagram, make sure that the angles that are given, EA is at the base. This is the easiest way of drawing the quadrilateral. So EA, DEAR. So this is the quadrilateral that has to be drawn. We could have taken E and A on top also, but the easiest way to construct a quadrilateral will be with the base angles given. So if the base angles E and A are known, it is easy to construct that. So here we get 60 here, angle A 90 degrees. The value of DE is given 4 centimeter. The value of EA 5 centimeter. The length of AR 4.5 centimeter. So we've drawn a rough diagram with the base angles 60 and 90 and the 3 sides given. So we are about to construct a quadrilateral with 3 sides and 2 included angles. The process will be very simple. We will start by drawing the base EA. The length of the base is given 5 centimeter. So with the help of a scale, measure 5 centimeter and draw a line. That will be 5 centimeter. Now the angles given are 60 and 90. Now both 60 and 90 are multiples of 15 degrees. Now if they are multiples of 15 degrees, they have to be constructed using a compass. So keep the compass here, draw an arc. Without changing the radius, the first cut will give us 60 degrees. So extend this line. Now to draw 90 degrees, from A, draw an arc using a compass. From here the first cut will be 60. Without changing the radius again, the second cut becomes 120. From 60 and 120, make arcs intersecting each other. So this point is going to be joined to A and this line is going to be 90 degrees. Now the length of E to D is given 4 centimeter. So if the length of E to D is 4 centimeter, from this point E I can take a radius of 4 centimeter and cut an arc. This point becomes a D. Repeat the procedure here. This is given 4.5 centimeter. So from A, take a radius of 4.5 centimeter, cut an arc. You can extend this line till these 2 points are going to intersect. So this is the arc and this is the line. The intersection point is going to be R. Now we can join D to R with the help of a scale. So this becomes our required quadrilateral. We can join A to R. The construction lines are there. You can darken this portion. And you can also join D to E. So what happens is we get our quadrilateral as per the dimensions. So this angle we had constructed 60 degrees. This angle we had constructed 90 degrees. We had taken this radius ED as 4 centimeter and we had taken this as 4.5 centimeter. Then we have joined DR. So we get this quadrilateral DEAR as per the dimensions given.